Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new and kind of darling Rene of Paris wig. This one is called Amal, and it's very much a bob that has some curl added to it. Pretty simple. Now, you'll notice right off the bat, because I specialize in right out of the box reviews, that she's not poofy. She doesn't look like the poofy, stylized manufacturer's photos, but that's okay, because you can get it that way with just a little bit of synthetic safe styling spray and your fingers. Just fluff it up with your fingers. Now, I'm going to keep it the way it is just because I'm going to resell it, but I wanted to give you an idea of what this looks like right out of the box so you can kind of see its potential. Now, the color on Amal is Macadamia-LR, which is one that I really wanted to showcase in the sunshine. As you can see in direct lighting, it is very much a light golden brown overall. Does have the longer root here, but that longer root isn't dramatically dark. It's basically just like an 8, whereas the rest of this is probably going to be more like, a 12 or a 14. I have shown other wigs in this color, but I definitely wanted to show you what this one looked like, just because it's in the manufacturer photo and because so many people get this one and the Banana Split LR confused. Banana Split LR is basically like if Creamy Toffee R and Sandalwood H had a baby. Like, it's that color. It's got the gold of the Sandalwood H in it, but it has, overall more of like a creamy toffee sort of appearance with the highlighting and whatnot. But this one is not like that. This one is definitely more of a brown, and it's very, very pretty. So the fringe on this is 7.5 inches, so it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side, and it's that way in the manufacturer pictures. The crown is 10.3 inches, so quite long. It ends right around here. The nape is 4.2, so it's short. I'll show you when I turn around. It gets shorter because of the curl too. And the overall weight is around 3.5 ounces. So this is what Amal looks like from the side, and again, I have not styled this wig. I have basically just ran my fingers through it. It can be kind of swept off off the side of the face a bit, but I mean, either way, it's got a lot of potential. Very adorable length, very on trend. Here's the back, and as you can see, very short here at the nape. Hair's a little thin in the back, but it's a Rene of Paris wig. They all kind of come like that. So, plenty of hair here on the sides though. And it is symmetrically cut, and it has a perma-tease top, so you can part it in different directions if you like. Hair might need to be trained a bit, but still very cute. Like, this is an adorable little wig. So yeah, so super on trend, super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now so I can show you the cap construction, but I like this wig. I think it's really cute. Here's what Amal looks like on the inside. This whole rose lace portion is perma-teased. The sides, I stretch a little bit. Rene of Paris is a little stretchier in general than, say, Noriko or Amour. You have a slightly extended nape here. Nothing really to write home about though, but it's felt, which is nice and soft. So here's what the top of this one looks like with all the perma-tease. You can see all that perma-tease there. That color up close and personal with all these beautiful, big, voluminous, happy curls. Just a very, very flirty, feminine kind of bob. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it back on so you can see what Amal looks like. She's been fussed up a bit. See how that just went right back to where it was, even though I changed the part. So yeah, it'll need to be retrained if you want to try to get that to go somewhere else. But other than that, super cute wig, super easy to wear, so I really like it. This, again, has been the Amal wig in the color Macadamia-LR, so hopefully this has been helpful. And again, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my website. I sell wigs, I don't just review them. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.